Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarilla. Let's do your reading for the month of December 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. Cards are quite coming very fast in the month of December for every zodiac sign. It's because at the end of the month, right? So universe tries to make sure that everything is quick and gets everything done in the month of 2020. Whatever karma is left out or whatever karma is pending. Pending in the sense it can be good or bad, okay? Maybe your karmic pending is to get a nice car, okay? So don't think pending is a bad thing. Any karmic pending has to be done in the year 2020. Universe tries to settle it out, and most of the time, I can feel that cards are quite repeating for every zodiac sign, okay? It's not very prominent that most of the cards, but quite few cards are repeating for few zodiac signs, and it is in a range where fire signs exchange their energies, air signs exchange their energies. It's quite like a friendly element for the zodiac sign, so nothing to worry at all. Mother of Pentacles represents universe is again taking care. Universe is trying to take care of every zodiac sign. I feel like it is not stressful for the universe, but we have to be grateful as well. We have to exchange the energy to the universe as well, to be grateful and thankful, because at this moment of time, universe is trying to bless everyone in the month of 2020, because many people are thinking this year is not that great, this year is it's a bad year. But we have to remember that everything happens for a reason, and just to make our future more stronger and brighter, and to live our life the right way and effective way. And for all these things, universe tries to teach us few lessons, but we have to be grateful at the end of the day, okay? We have to say thank you for 2020 and say goodbye and welcome 2021 prosperously. And see, cards want to come out, and that's a major arcana, Emperor. And these both cards, Mother of Pentacles and Emperor, I just finished with Leo. Leo got these two cards. As I said, fire signs exchange their energies, and that's a good thing. When you exchange energies, you try to help other zodiac signs and you take help from them. Try to, teamwork always wins. Zodiac signs also subconsciously in the background do that, okay? Emperor represents structure, and universe is taking care of you so that you can grow in the right way, grow beautifully. Each and every stage of this tree, universe is looking at it, and this tree is you. Every stage of the tree, while it grows slowly, universe is looking at it, just sitting there looking at the tree, making sure that it is growing perfectly. That is what the universe is doing. Make sure you receive the sunshine and the tree grows well. The Star card, another major arcana. Wow, you're the first person as of now to get the Star card, because quite few cards are repeating, and Star didn't come out for other zodiac signs as of now, but you have got it, okay? Star represents Aquarius, Emperor represents Aries, okay? And you might be exchanging energies to Aries and Leo. Leo got this, but Aries didn't get it. Why I'm saying Aries is Emperor represents Aries, okay? And these Aries and Leo are fire signs. That's how tarot works. Star represents Aquarius, and other zodiac signs also try to help you, but in a subtle way, where you receive it quite friendly. And Star also represents, next to Emperor, stars are aligned. Every part of the divine, everything is divine, but stars are in another dimension, okay? So stars, sun, all these major bodies are in alignment for you to grow. Interesting. What can I say? Leo got this again. 3 cards Leo got it out of 4 here. Strength, another major arcana. Leo got 4 in a row. You got 3 in a row here. So what can I say? December is a major month for you, Sagittarius, for you also. And you're taking help of Leo, Aries and Aquarius as of now. And Mother of Pentacles may be Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Strength. Beautiful. Actually, I feel like you have to be thankful. Every person, every zodiac sign have to be thankful for the universe to give this amazing blessing, to teach us this lesson. The moon, another major arcana. I'm going speechless here. 4 major arcanas in a row. And these are beautiful cards. This is not like Tower card, or this is not like Death, even though Death is good. But this is not like very dramatic. Okay. Leo got 10 of swords, but that was not the present energy. That was the past. But we didn't get 10 of swords. We didn't get Tower card. We got Judgment. We got Emperor. We got Star. We got Strength. We got Moon now. The Moon is working. Okay. Strength. Your mind is working. You can see the infinity symbol over here, and it's been activated by the Sun, your third eye. Okay. Sun, Moon. You can see Rahu over here. This is Rahu. This is stars. What else do you need, Sagittarius? You have to be thankful. You can't ask more. You have to be grateful. Moon also represents, if it will be very, very good in the month of December, especially in the December 15th, that period of time. It's better you connect with the moon. Okay, go out. Even just looking at the moon at night will definitely heal your mind, heal your body, and remove all the negativity. Okay. So Moon card, connect with the moon. You're gonna receive much more blessings and energy in that way also. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. Look at the moon. Wow, we got another major body, which is Rahu again here, which you can see. It's the same like Emperor, the same solar eclipse. It's also here. Wonderful. 2 of Swords. Again, it is same like Leo, where they have to take a decision to move. They got Chariot. They have the opportunity to move, etc. You can check out Leo reading, and even you have the options to choose. Okay, you have to make decisions. 2 of Swords. It's nothing but decisions. I feel like universe will guide you to make a lot of money in the month of December, and I feel like few opportunities will be presented. You will get few insights, especially in the third eye. You will get few insights to do certain things which can fetch a lot of money. Maybe not in the month of December, but in the upcoming years, a lot of money. And doing something which comes in your mind immediately, it will be very, very effective in the month of December. Universe makes sure that if you react quick also, it's gonna the outcome will be very fruitful. Mother of Swords, and people will also notice Mother of Swords. This is other people. You got Mother of Pentacles and Mother of Swords. It's the universe. It is Mother. Other people will be looking at your how much money you're making. They might be thinking, and people think that you make a lot of money because Mother of Swords is looking at 10 of Pentacles here. Wow. 7 of Cups. A lot of options again. When I feel like you get few insights, and when you execute it immediately, universe tries to You can take time also, but I'm telling, even though if you do it immediately, universe tries to make sure that the outcome is perfect. And even after executing whatever is in your mind, still few insights will come, still few options and ideas will come. So it's better to connect with your mind. You can see here, this is moon is the mind, this is the sun. So connect your mind and the heart. Okay, connect your mind and the heart. Heart is the sun, mind is the moon. Okay, connect your mind and heart. You're going to receive a lot of messages. Wow, that really wanted to come out here. Hanged Man. 5 major arcanas. Even Leo got 5 major arcanas. Please check out Leo reading. Yeah, there is something significant that you have to listen, I feel. I'll mention the icon there. Hanged Man. I feel like there'll be a lot of options, okay, because this is sometimes to receive something you have to be in a particular state, okay, and when you're in a particular state you'll be getting the thing which you want, and also in some cases you'll receive something which you really need but which has to have time, okay, but it's gonna come back very, very fast than it has to be, which is options. This ideas, no, it tries to come at once, all at once, because you're connected to the mind and soul, and it tries to give all the messages because it's so flowing. It's, it's like you take water and try to make it flow with a very nice surface which is very smooth. It tries to go very fast, okay. That's how your connection with the mind and heart is. It's quite very smooth, the surface, so the information comes to you very smoothly and very fast, okay. There is no stones or blockages, okay. So what you have to do in that case is, which is a good thing, information comes very fast. You have to make sure that you relax, meditate and be stable, which is Hanged Man. So that's the reason you have to practice meditation, okay. Meditation also helps us to connect with the soul and mind, but at the same time make us balanced. So that's the reason why meditation is so beautiful, okay. We can connect with the moon. It tries to give, calm down, but again, if you don't sustain the energy, it starts to act differently, of course, okay. But overall it is a good thing if you meditate and be stable. Once you're stable, it doesn't matter how many information or idea comes, you try to utilize it in the right way. 7 of Pentacles, it's all about finances, because you got a lot of Pentacles, Swords and Major Arcana. Less of Cups, because at this point of time, it's many people at this point of time, what they have to do is they have to focus on themselves a lot and connect with the universe in the month of December, because we are saying goodbye to 2020. We have to respectfully connect to the world, okay, not through people. We have done with people, okay. Now we are not distant with people. The people around us also is giving subconsciously support. They are giving their element and energy towards us. We are also exchanging subconsciously in the background. That's the reason you are getting many cards similar with other zodiac signs, and vice versa, okay. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius, and I feel like many people in the month of 2021 will start to get enlightened, and that's the main reason why December is quite important for us to connect with the universe and try to receive all the knowledge and protection and the blessings, okay. We can't ask more. 5 major arcanas in December 2020. Wow. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified, never miss a video. And the monthly predictions, what I'm doing on YouTube, will resonate with everyone who has Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter as Sagittarius, because I'm doing readings based on the collective, okay. I'm taking the collective's energy and doing it, and there's the reason why it's very important to gain access towards your own energy as well while you're trying to solve your major problems or major cycles in your life. So if you feel like you have to get a reading and more insight and more depth and more accurate reading, you can get a personal reading, you can check out this poster, and all my details are there, including my website, my social media website, which is Facebook, and also my number is there. You can check out the services. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching, and also daily readings. And you'll get the documentation of all the images and the advice which you need. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.